Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are fine and doing lots of study at your home. And today I am going to teach a new chapter of English grammar book, chapter 9 of class 4, nouns number. Name of the chapter is nouns number. Okay. So, children, in the previous class, I have told you about what is the kinds of nouns, and before that, I taught you what is nouns. So today I am going to repeat once again that what is noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal and things. And what kinds of nouns? So there are three kinds of noun: common noun, proper noun and collective noun. So what is common noun? Common names of person, place, animal, thing is called common noun. And the proper names of person, place, animal, thing is called proper noun. And collective noun. Collective nouns are the name of groups of person, place, things is called collective noun. So children, come to our new chapter, nouns number. Nouns number is singular and plural. So do you know what is singular and plural? Yes, I know that you knew that what is singular and plural nouns, because you have already studied in previous class that what is singular and plural. So here are some rules. So we are going to learn some new rules about the singular and plural nouns. So what is singular? Singular means एक वचन and plural means बहुवचन. जब हम संज्ञा की किसी एक वस्तु चीज के बारे में बात करते हैं तो उसे हम सिंगुलर नाउन कहते हैं, यानी कि एक वचन. और जब हम एक से अधिक चीज के बारे में बात करते हैं तो उसे हम प्लूरल कहते हैं. लाइक सिंगुलर में बॉय तो प्लूरल में बॉयज होगा, उसका प्लूरल. गर्ल, गर्ल्स, ग्लास, glasses, like this. Okay, so let's start this chapter, singular and plural nouns. So here is saying that today is Rinky's birthday. Read on to find out what she has to tell you. So today is Rinky's birthday and read on to find out what she has to tell you. वो कुछ तुम्हें बताना चाह रही है, तो हम लोग जानेंगे what she want to tell. For my birthday party, all my friends were invited. My room was decorated with colorful balloons and stars. What she said? She said that for her birthday party, all her friends were invited and her room was decorated with lots of colorful balloons and stars. So here, friends is plural, balloons is also plural, and stars are also plural. A cake was brought by my brother. Who brought the cake? His brother brought the cake. I got many gifts. Jyoti, my friend. So here in the black letter, my friend is written over here. So friend is singular. Okay, gave me a book. So book is also singular, which I like the most. The nouns which are in blue talked about a singular thing, and a person such as party, cake, book, brother, they are singular nouns. So children, let's see here. These all blue color letters, the nouns which are in blue color, they are singular noun. Okay, like party, cake, brother, friend, book. Okay, and the nouns, so nouns which stand for one person, animal, place or thing are called singular nouns. And the nouns which are in red talked about persons or things which are more than one in number, such as friends, balloons, stars, they are plural. They are plural nouns. Okay, so what is the definition of plural? Nouns which stand for more than one person, animals, place or things are called plural noun. जिसमें हम एक चीज के बारे में बात करेंगे वो हमारा सिंगुलर नाउन कहलाएगा, और जिसमें हम एक से अधिक चीज के बारे में बात करेंगे वो हमारा प्लूरल नाउन कहलाएगा। ओके चिल्ड्रन, तो आपको यहाँ समझ में आ गया होगा। नाउ लेट्स कंटिन्यू। चिल्ड्रन, जैसे कि मैथ्स में फॉर्मूलाज होते हैं मैथ्स को बनाने के लिए, वैसे हमारे ग्रामर में रूल्स होते हैं ग्रामर को बनाने के लिए। ओके, तो आज हम कुछ रूल्स नाउन्स के सिंगुलर और प्लूरल बनाने के लिए कुछ रूल्स का यूज़ करते हुए हम सिंगुलर नाउन को प्लूरल नाउन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे। तो लेट्स सी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्लूरल नाउन्स। Plural nouns are formed in different ways. Okay, we add s to most singular nouns to make them plural. What we add? We add s to the most singular nouns to make them plural. हम लोग s ऐड करेंगे बहुत सारे singular noun को plural में convert करने के लिए। तो see some example are given here. So let's see singular. So balloon is singular, and when we add s, is turned into plural. So is balloons, balloon, balloons. Friend, when we add s, is turned into plural, friends. Gift, we add s, then equals to gifts. So singular turn into plural. Book, books, and when we add s to tree, is become trees. Girl, we add s, it become girls. So it is plural. Table is singular, and when we add s, is become plural, tables. Chair is also singular, and when we add s, is also turned into plural. Now is become chairs. Okay. So see some rules of it, children. If the noun end in s, x, sh or ch, we form plural by adding es. What we do here? अगर नाउन जो है वो एंड्स होता है, ख़त्म होता है, उसका जो लास्ट लेटर होता है वो होता है एस या एक्स या एफ एच एंड और सी एच, तो हम लोग वहाँ पे क्या करते हैं, उसमें लास्ट में ऐड करते हैं ई एस और उसको कन्वर्ट करते हैं प्लूरल में। ओके, तो एग्जाम्पल्स आर गिवन हियर. सी द एग्जाम्पल लाइक ग्लास. इन द लास्ट लेटर इज एस. So what we add here? We will add here es. Then it will convert into plural glasses. Okay? What is this? Es. Box. The last one is s. C. The last letter is x. So we will add es here. Then it turn into boxes. Okay? Bush. H is the last letter. So we will add es. So it's turned into bushes. It's changed into singular to plural noun. Okay. Church. The last letter is ch. Then we add es here. It's turned into churches. So it's also a plural noun. So C. Dress. Then s is the last letter. Noun end in the noun ends in s. So we will add es here. It's changed into dresses and it's become plural noun. Okay. Fox. So now here nouns end in x. So we add es to foxes. Okay. The plural is foxes. Dish. So the nouns end in h. So we add es, then equals to dishes. Okay. Bench. The nouns end in ch. So we add here es. Okay. It's turned into benches. The singular of the benches. The singular is bench, and the plural of the bench is benches. Okay, children. And children, when nouns end in y, nouns end in y. Same as here, nouns end in these letters, and when the nouns end in y, in last letter is y and there is a consonant before y, and y के पहले क्या रहेगा हमारा, y के पहले हमारा consonant रहेगा. ठीक है, y भी हमारा consonant है वैसे, और हम लोग जो ये बनाएंगे तो हमारा जो भी लेटर होगा, जो भी वर्ड होगा, उसके लास्ट में y होगा और उसके बिफोर भी उसके बिफोर भी कॉन्सोनेंट ही होगा, ठीक है। तो वी ड्रॉप y एंड IES, तो हम लोग वहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, y को ड्रॉप करेंगे और वहाँ पे ऐड करेंगे IES, ओके। हम लोग वहाँ पे y को ड्रॉप करके वहाँ पे क्या ऐड करेंगे, IES, ठीक है। जैसे कि हमने फर्स्ट वाले में देखा, यहाँ पे रूल्स डिफरेंट था कि हम लोग ने देखा था कि इसे नाउन्स एंड करता है S, X, SH और CH पे, तो हम लोग वहाँ पे ऐड करेंगे ES और उसको प्लूरल बनाएंगे, वहाँ पे हम लोग कोई लेटर ड्रॉप नहीं करना था। बट हियर सम रूल्स आर चेंज हियर। तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है कि जब नाउन एंड करेगा y पे और y से पहले भी कंसोनेंट होगा, तो हम लोग वहाँ पे y को ड्रॉप करेंगे और वहाँ पे ऐड करेंगे IES, ओके। y की जगह हम लोग IES लगाएंगे। So children, do you know what is a consonant? I know you know consonant. What is consonant? So the other letters apart from A, E, I, O, U are called consonants. First of all, मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी what is vowel. तो A, E, I, O, U is called vowel. These are vowel sound. And the other letters apart from these are consonants, okay. Example T, Y, S, B, D. It means ki the rest letters except A, E, I, O, U is called consonants, okay. So see some example given here, how we will change, how we will drop Y and add a IES there, okay, in the place of Y. See examples, singular, party. The noun ends in Y and before Y is also a consonant letter. So what we will do here? We will add IES. We will replace Y. In the place of Y, we add IES and turn into plural, parties. Then the singular converted into plural. So it's parties, okay. One more example, one more example, family. The nouns end in Y and the before Y is also a consonant letter L. And what we will do here? We will replace Y and add IES in the place of Y and it will turn into families. P क्या बन गया? Families. The singular converted into plural and become families. Okay? And see, when nouns end in Y and there is a vowel before Y, we add S. The rules is change here. पहले हमने क्या किया था, what we did here, हमने क्या किया था कि हमारा जो लेटर वर्ड था वो हमारा नाउन जो था हमारा एंड कर रहा था वाई पे, ठीक है। उसके आगे भी एक कंसोनेंट रह था, तो हम लोगों ने क्या किया था, उस वाई को, लास्ट वाले वाई को रिप्लेस करके हम लोगों ने IES लगा के उसकी जगह पे IES ऐड करके सिंगुलर नाउन को प्लूरल नाउन में कन्वर्ट किया था। और यहाँ पे हम लोगों को क्या करना है चिल्ड्रन, सी व्हेन नाउन्स एंड इन वाई, ये सेम व्हेन नाउन्स एंड इन वाई, जब नाउन एंड होगा वाई पे लेकिन यहाँ पे कॉन्सोनेंट की जगह वावल होना चाहिए वाई से पहले। तो यहाँ पे वाई है, आप देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पे ए है, ए इज वावल, ओके। सो what we will do here, when nouns end in Y and there is a vowel before Y, we add S. यहाँ पे हम लोगों को कुछ नहीं करना है, यहाँ पे हम लोगों को रिप्लेस कोई वर्ड को नहीं करना है, हम लोगों को बस यहाँ पे ऐड करना है, ओके। हम लोगों को Y को या A को ड्रॉप नहीं करना है, हम लोगों को बस यहाँ पे ऐड करना है, लाइक सी डे। तो Y, so nouns end in Y and there is a vowel before Y, so we add S. So we will add S in day, so it is converted into days, so it's become plural. Singular is day and the plural of day is days, okay. See key, Y is noun and in Y is consonant and E is vowel, so before Y there is a vowel, so key. So when we then we add S. is converted into keys. The singular is key and the plural is keys. Okay, I hope children you understand it. Now come to next chapter. Now come to next page number 26. See, most nouns ending in f or fe, we form the plurals by changing f or fe into ves. Here what is said? यहाँ पे बताया जा रहा है for most nouns ending in f. बहुत सारे नाउन जो होते हैं वो कहाँ एंड करते हैं? f पे और fe पे, ठीक है? तो वी फॉर्म द प्लूरल्स बाय चेंजिंग f और fe into ves. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? जहाँ लास्ट लेटर जो हमारा f या fe रहेगा तो उसको हम लोग चेंज कर देंगे ves में. हम लोग fe को यूज़ ना करके या f को यूज़ ना करके हम लोग उस जगह पे इसको ड्रॉप करके ves ऐड करेंगे. ओके, सो फॉर मोस्ट नाउन्स, लिसन, for most nouns ending in f or fe, we form the plurals by changing f or fe into ves. Okay, so see some examples. See, calf, the nouns ending f. The nouns ending f. So what we will do here? We will replace f, we will drop f, and then we add ves in the place of f. Okay, to form the plural by changing f into ves. Okay, so see, calf, so we add cal ves, calves, so is change into plural noun. The singular of calf is calves, so the singular change into plural noun. Half, same, we change f into ves and it's become half. Knife, here fe, then we change the fe, we add ves and it's changed into knives. Okay, so we form the plural by changing fe into ves and is turned into plural noun. Okay, and see children, here some telling something. However, some nouns do not follow these rules. Some nouns which are not going to follow these rules. हाँ, कुछ nouns होते हैं जो इन rules के मुताबिक नहीं चलते हैं, ये rules change नहीं करते हैं. For examples, see, chief, chiefs, roof, roofs, proof, proofs. Okay, remember it. Now come to next one. Most nouns ending in o form the plural by adding es. Here children, most nouns are ending in o, and then what we add? We add es. Here we don't need to replace any word or we don't need to drop any word. Okay, see, this is easy. So the nouns end in o, then how we will turn into plural noun? So we add es to change the singular noun into plural noun. Okay, see, buffalo, the last noun end in o and we form the plural by adding es. Okay, when we add es, it's turned into buffaloes. Mango, nouns end in o, when we add es, then it's formed the plural mangoes. Okay, when we add es, then it's turned into mangoes, it's the singular change into plural noun. Okay, here are also some rules. Some nouns do not follow these rules. Again, some nouns which do not follow these rules. Example, some example given here. Photo, so photos. Radio, radios. Piano, pianos. I will explain you these in next class. See children, there are some nouns which do not follow these rules. Nouns which do not change in plural. Okay, कुछ nouns होते हैं जो कि वो प्लूरल में कन्वर्ट नहीं होते हैं, वो सिंगुलर में ही रहते हैं. ओके, देयर आर सम नाउन्स which do not follow these rules. एग्जाम्पल, एयरक्राफ्ट, इसका प्लूरल भी एयरक्राफ्ट ही होगा. शिप, शिप, डियर का प्लूरल भी डियर होगा, फिश fish. Okay, so these are some nouns which do not follow these rules, and these nouns which do not change in plural. ये noun singular से plural में convert नहीं होते हैं. Okay, and when we write fishes, when we mean a variety of fish, okay, उसमें different type of fishes रहेंगे तो हम लोग उसको fishes बोलेंगे. एग्जाम्पल, द पॉन्ड हैज़ मेनी फिशेस. तो पॉन्ड में बहुत डिफरेंट वैराइटीज़ के फिशेस होते हैं, इसलिए वहाँ पे हम लोग फिशेस लिखते हैं. ओके, एंड चिल्ड्रन, सम नाउन्स फॉर्म देयर प्लूरल इन एन इरेगुलर मैनर. कुछ नाउन्स जो होते हैं वो अपने प्लूरल को इरेगुलर मैनर में चेंज करते हैं. सी द एग्जाम्पल, चाइल्ड, चिल्ड्रन. चाइल्ड का चाइल्ड्स नहीं होगा, चाइल्ड का चिल्ड्रन होगा. ऑक्स का ऑक्सेस नहीं होगा, ऑक्स का ऑक्सन होगा. माउस का माउसेस नहीं, माइस. मैन, मेन. सी द सिंगुलर ऑफ वुमेन, प्लूरल ऑफ वुमेन का वुमेन होगा. फुट, द प्लूरल इज फिट. टूथ, द प्लूरल इज टिथ. गूस, द प्लूरल इज गीज. इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं इरेगुलर मैनर. द नाउन्स which form their plural in an irregular manner. Okay, these are the nouns which form their plurals in an irregular manner. So children, some nouns are always used in the plural form. और कुछ nouns जो होते हैं बच्चों वो हमेशा plural में ही होते हैं, उसमें उनका singular नहीं होता है. See, I'm going to give some example. Example C, Caesars. क्योंकि Caesar हमारा सिंगुलर नहीं प्लूरल होता है. ट्राउजर्स, क्यों? क्योंकि उनमें पेयर होता है, इसलिए उसको हम लोग हमेशा प्लूरल फॉर्म में ही कहते हैं. स्पेक्टल्स, शॉक्स, दीज आर ऑलवेज इन पेयर, इसलिए ये हमेशा ऑलवेज यूज्ड इन प्लूरल फॉर्म, इसलिए दीज नाउन्स आर ऑलवेज यूज्ड इन द प्लूरल फॉर्म्स. एंड सम नाउन्स आर ऑलवेज यूज्ड इन सिंगुलर फॉर्म लाइक furniture, news. Okay, these are always used in singular form. I hope children you understood the rules of singular and plural, how to change the singular noun into plural noun, and I hope you can do it, and you will learn. You learned what is singular noun and what is plural noun. So see some exercises given here. Circle the singular nouns and underline the plural nouns. Here what you have to do, you have to circle the singular noun and underline the plural noun. I am going to do one for you. I am going to give show you one. Two boys were playing in the park. So here boys are plural. These boys are two boys. Sorry, boys are plural. We are playing in the park. So park is singular noun. Okay. So children, like this you have to do all. Okay, I hope you can do it. So do it in your book. And see another exercise, exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of nouns. What do you have to do? You have to fill in the blanks with the correct form of nouns given in the brackets. Okay, you have to select which one is the correct noun. Okay, I have bought 2 dash from the bookstore. So what I have bought? I have bought 2 books. Okay, books is the correct form of noun, so I will write here books. I have bought 2 books from the bookstore. This is the correct form of noun. So this is easy children, so do it in your book. Now come to exercise C. Write the plural form of the nouns given in brackets. Here what you have to do, you have to write the plural forms of the given nouns. आपको क्या करना है, आप यहाँ पे singular noun दिया हुआ है, उसका आपको plural form यहाँ पे लिखना है इस blank वाले space में. The leaf of the tree have dried up. तो हम लोग leaf का क्या करेंगे, मैंने पहले ही आपको rules बताया है, आपने देखा है leaf. So in the end, here in the end of the noun is F. So what we will do here, we drop the F into VES. So we will write leaves, LEAVES, VES in the place of F. Okay, See next one. The roof of both the houses are damaged. So children, आप तो ये सोच रहे होंगे कि F लिखना, आपने तो रूफ दिया है, सो वी कांट रिप्लेस एफ इंटू वी ई एस हियर, क्योंकि कुछ नाउन्स जो होते हैं वो इस रूल को फॉलो नहीं करते हैं, इसलिए हम लोग यहाँ पे रूफ का रूफ्स करेंगे, एस रूफ्स। यहाँ हम लोग वी ई एस ऐड ना करके एस ऐड करेंगे, तो ये हो जाएगा रूफ्स। ओके चिल्ड्रन, सी थर्ड वन, द चाइल्ड। अगेन जैसा कि मैंने आपको इसके पहले बताया है आपको कि सम नाउन्स फॉर्म देयर प्लूरल इन एन इरेगुलर मैनर। तो यहाँ पे चाइल्ड है तो हमारा चाइल्ड का इरेगुलर मैनर चिल्ड्रन, सो वी विल राइट चिल्ड्रन हियर, CHILDREN, children. Okay, I hope children you can understand it, and also do this in your book. Now come to our last exercise D. See, write the singular form of the nouns given in the brackets. Here what you have to do, here plurals are given here, you have to convert it into singular form and write the singular form of the given nouns. Okay, the nouns are given in a plural form and you have to convert it into singular form. Okay, the donkeys. So what you will write here, donkey. The donkey lost its way. Babies. So we will write the baby. The baby is a singular form, okay, of these nouns. Okay, baby is the singular form of these nouns. The benches. The bench needed repair. So bench is a singular form and benches is the plural form. So here we have to write the singular form of the noun. So I write here bench. Okay, I hope children you all understood it. So do all the exercises. See exercise do exercise A to D in your book. And now I am going to give you some homeworks related with this chapter. Learn what is singular and plural noun, and also write in your copy that what is singular noun and what is plural noun. Write its definition with example. Okay, and also learn the rules, how to convert the nouns into plural form. Okay, कैसे हम convert करेंगे noun को plural form में, singular noun को plural में. कुछ मैंने जो rules बताए हैं उस rules को भी आप example के साथ note down करेंगे, and learn the rules also, and also write the examples with the rules, and also write the examples in the copy with the rules. Okay, see here मैं बता रही हूँ, जैसे यहाँ लिखा हुआ for most nouns ending in F or FE we form the plurals by changing F or FE into VES. Like this you will write in your copy. Okay, and also write the examples of it. From this you can better understand what is singular and what is plurals, and where you need to and how you will change the singular noun into plural noun. If you learn the rules, then you can change very easily the singular noun into plural noun. Okay, and write all the rules and all the definitions of singular and plural nouns into your copy, and learn all the definitions of it. Okay, and also do the rest exercises of ABCD. 4 exercises given, these are easy. मैंने already आपको example देके बता दिया है. I hope कि आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. So once again I am going to repeat my homework, that you have to write what is singular and plural in your copy with the definition and example, and also write the rules of singular and plural noun, that how to convert into singular into plural nouns. Okay, so and do all the exercises related with this chapter. This is your homework. I hope you understand, and if you got any problem, then you can call me on my number. My phone number is 8581013212. Till then, thank you children. See you in the next class with a new chapter. do your homework, stay home, stay healthy. Thank you. Bye.